Hi there, students. I'm sure many of you know the word perk, and I'll bet most of you don't know the word perquisite. Okay, a perquisite or a perk is a special privilege that comes with a job or a status or a position. It's a little extra bonus. It's a little extra benefit. So one of the perquisites of being the boss of this company is I get the best office in the building. Yeah, one of the perquisites that comes with this job is extra holiday days. Yeah, instead of 20 days, this person gets 40 days, for example. Okay, so one of the perquisites of the job. Okay, there are all types of perquisite, yeah? It's an extra privilege, an extra allowance, yeah? This is something more than your normal salary. So, yeah, in some jobs, one of the perquisites is you get stock options in the company. Yeah, okay. Or one of the perquisites of being rich is that you have enough money to do all the things that you want to do. So it's an extra benefit, something in addition to what everybody else has. Okay, so a perquisite, a fringe benefit, an advantage, a bonus. Yeah, this is that little bit more. I guess you could also use this word, a perquisite, to talk about a tip. Yeah. So when after staying in the hotel for 2 weeks, I left perquisites for the people who cleaned the room. Okay, so it's exactly the same as a perk, yeah, but it's just the formal version. So it's interesting. We've got perk, an informal version, which I'd probably give a 4 informality, and perquisite maybe 6.5 or 7 informality. So you can use both depending on how formal you want to sound. Okay, so there are all sorts of perquisites with different jobs. Maybe you have the perquisite of a company car, or maybe you have health insurance, or maybe you have access to a particular health club. Okay, so this is something that is an exclusive right. Yeah. So I would guess a king or a queen has all sorts of perquisites, privileges, which you are entitled because of your status or your position. So it's like a prerogative. It's something that you are allowed to do. Because you have a specific position, a specific job. Yeah, it can be money, but very often perquisites are something incidental, but it's something in addition to your salary. Yeah, you can also use it to talk about a tip. Yeah, so yes. Having finished my meal, I left a large perquisite on the table for the waiter. Although I think I would use the word tip. Yeah, I think perquisite is a privilege that a certain group have. So, yeah, living on a private island is one of the perquisites of being a multi-billionaire. Okay, so what about origin? Well, this comes from medieval Latin, perquisitum. yeah, which comes from per quairo, per, through, and quairo, to look for, to seek, to search. So that's it, a perquisite. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Perk Perquisite.